Hello gang, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eric and the home of footwears and shoemaking. Today I'll be teaching you on the process of making vintage sandals. Now the first thing I needed to do was to tape my last, which I've already done, and what I'm doing here is to sketch the design. It is important that you always have the prototype of what you want to design, as the footwear you want to design. So you have to prototype with me, and that's what I had to sketch on the mold here, as you can see here. So what I'm just doing is to use my pen to trace it out very well. I started using my pencil, and later on I switched to my pen to make it more visible. As you can see, what I hope you can get the design. I'm just trying to sketch it very so you can see very well. Design is gonna come out very well. So what I'm gonna do is to split the pattern. So this is the pattern I would like to design. So just to make sure that everything shows very well. That's why I'm using my pen. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I usually just take my measurement for my allowance, and I hope you can see it very well. Okay, all right. So once you are able to know the allowance you want to give, then you just mark your allowance there. So what I used there was most of my allowance I put inside um, my patterns. I use 0.5 for my allowance most times. Alright, so remember that the allowance is what goes underneath maybe the leather or um, of your upper. So what I did there is just to make sure that I covered where my insert is going to be. Now the pattern has been splitted, and if you want to know more on how to draft pattern, I'll be making videos on how to draft pattern. So what I just did here is to teach you on how I'm making my vintage sandal. Now this is the pattern. Now what we're doing right now is to draw the pattern on our leather. This is a calf leather, quality, one of the best. And sketch, just make sure you sketch it out properly and know the amount and the sides that you're sketching out, and you're good to go. So make sure that you make use of the space, and while making use of the space, be careful of any dents that you see around. Try to avoid any dent. That's why you need to observe your leathers very well, so that you will not have cut those leathers out, and only to find out that there was a dent somewhere, and that will be a wastage of your leather materials. So you can see there I'm trying to draw out on my leathers, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut them out. Please note that I'm not cutting them out on the line yet. So what I just did there is just to split it out. I'm going to split them out quickly, and I'm going to do the same for the rest of the patterns that I already drew on the leather. So what I'm doing right now is my cutting. Please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the like notification button to always get videos, to always get updates whenever I post. It's very important that you do that so that you won't miss out on this channel. I promise you, you will get nothing but the best, and I'm very sure that regardless of your level, you will be able to understand this properly well. Okay, so guys, still cutting, and make sure you cut outside the line a bit. I have a reason why I do that. I'll explain to you later on, and once I'm done with my cutting, then we'll move to the next process. So guys, I'll be splitting this video into parts because of the length of the videos. So watch out for the part 2, where we'll start coupling the pattern, the leather together, so that it will bring out what we already designed. I promise you the part 2 is going to be much more detailed and interesting. So please do this by click on the subscription button, and also like and comment to watch the next video. Just watch out for the part 2. The part 2 will be posted shortly. Thank you, and do take good care. God bless.